To configure an application override policy rule that can identify traffic from one of your custom applications, browse to Policies, then Application Override, then click Add. On the General tab, you must enter the name for your application override rule. We'll type Match Backup App. The remaining fields on this General tab are optional. Because only packet header information from network layers 2 through 4 is used to identify the application, you should define multiple match criteria. On the Source tab, specify match criteria for the source of the traffic. We'll select DMZ as the source zone, and then we'll type 192.168.50.10 as the source address. The more narrowly that you define the match criteria, the less likely that other application traffic might be mislabeled. On the Destination tab, specify match criteria for the destination of the traffic. The destination often is a specific server running a custom application. We'll select Inside as the destination zone, and then we'll type 192.168.120 as the destination address. Again, the more narrowly that you define the match criteria, the less likely that other application traffic might be mislabeled. Select the Protocol Application tab to specify the protocol and port number used to match the custom application traffic. Notice that you can select only a single protocol for an application override rule. And notice that only TCP and UDP are available. If you require both TCP and UDP ports, then you need to create two separate application override policy rules. We'll leave TCP selected. You can specify a single or multiple port numbers. To specify multiple port numbers, use a comma-separated list or a hyphenated range of port numbers. The port you specify here should match the port specified in the application. We'll type 8181. This matches the custom backup app application that we demonstrated earlier. Use the application field to assign your custom application name to any matching application traffic. Use the application field to assign your custom application name to any matching traffic. In this demonstration, we'll select our custom backup app application. Then we'll click OK to create our application override policy rule. The new rule is displayed on the application override policy page. An application override policy rule identifies the application in the traffic, but it does not control access to it. To control access to the application, you still must configure a security policy rule. Let's click Policies, then Security, to view what such a rule would look like. Notice the Allow Backup rule. This rule permits traffic from the DMZ zone to the inside zone as long as it's been identified as the custom backup app running on its default port. Notice also that no security profiles have been assigned to this security policy rule. That's because application override traffic does not have content ID inspection on it. Therefore, you need no security policy prof- Therefore, you need no security profiles attached to your policy rule. Lastly, be aware that when the firewall encounters matching traffic, the custom application name will appear in the firewall's traffic log, in the application command center, and in any firewall reports.